difference which way the hello, Emery. So let me see where it's going to fall. Let's see. Back a little bit more. Because I'm taking a rain. How far will you?
I don't want it to hit the house or anything.
Once that tree's down, keep on pulling over there, okay?
Yeah.
They'll cut it up all day long. Perfect. Fucking know everything. Hey! Tevin! Go underneath that one, the one your arm is too long. Your right arm there, go under that one and go around. Under, yeah. So you get that, yeah. Tevin, you still gotta remove that line, eh? You're in the wrong spot, bro. Don't put this in the mud, eh? Try to keep it in your arms with you or something. I don't want to touch the mud. This is full of mud. Go on to me. How you two go on to your fucking house? Run water, right? Kevin, I don't like this up here, okay? Should be fine.
Take a look. Yeah, we're just tying up the tree right now, then I'm gonna cut it. What do you mean, the suck back? Yeah, once the tree is out, then we can start using them to suck everything up. But we don't want to, because they don't want to keep sucking up around the tree until it's down, just in case something happens, you know? Because they don't want it to hit the truck. All right. Yeah, no problem. For what, sorry? No, it's, I can try, but because half the road's still open. Like, you can still use half the road tonight if we need to. Alright. Alright.
Hey! Yeah, but I'm telling him, but it doesn't mean it's the problem. What I'm going to do is fucking the brain. Sure. Then they're going that way, you know what I'm saying? Okay, my friend, let the move.
My brother's calling right now.
I get on that because I don't think PGC's calling you back.
I know.
He should know by now. They don't have a whole hell of a lot of guys left.
You think for hanging Christmas lights? I know.
But give your wife any idea next thing will be the little tree.
Fuck. Huh? We're gonna set it up. We're gonna push it tight first. Make sure we get the right angle and all that. I want to make sure everything's in place. It takes a few days to get everything in angle. You know that, right?
Do you want me to get in the back wheel?
Oh, okay. Now hang on.